So this is going to be a little shorter of a video than what you guys are used to, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cover how to use the Facebook ads library to figure out what ads are working for final expense telesales or final expense life insurance ads right now on the platform. So Facebook has a really cool tool that actually lets you look up all the ads that are currently running on the platform. And they do that because they know that, hey, if this company's ads are working, they want you to be able to see them, to duplicate them, but also for ad transparency. So they want you to be able to see what everyone's doing and what everyone's advertising and what those companies are saying. So it's pretty cool. Before, it used to be really hard to find out what companies' ads were, but now it's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you this here, and this is, you can use this in your Facebook ads to just figure out. You can use this when you're making your Facebook ads to figure out pictures that are working, maybe figure out texts that are working, headlines. And this is good because you're going to run into situations where maybe your ads get declined or shut down, or your portal gets shut down for whatever reason, your account. So this will help you see, hey, what accounts are running ads right now, what ads are working, what ads aren't getting shut down, because Facebook changes their rules a lot. So it's super, super simple how you do this. First, we just go down to here, ad category. So the ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive searchable collection of all ads currently running from across Meta technology. So all we do is we go down here, we click on all ads, and we're just going to search by keyword. So pretty easy. We're just going to search final expense to see what comes up. There's a couple things we're going to search for here. So we're going to search final expense and see what comes up. All you do is Google Facebook ads library, and then you'll see the link when it comes up. So Facebook or facebook.com/ads/library. Okay, cool. Well, we really only have one right now that mentions final expense coverage. Okay, so what we'll do, but what I'm going to do is we'll do burial program, right? Because mainly they're advertised as burial programs. So we're going to see what comes up when we search for burial programs. And we have over 50,000 results. So there are a lot of ads running right now on Facebook for final expense life insurance, as you can see. Insurance for burial quotes. I know the guy who actually insurance burial quotes. So I think we may actually know the person who runs that site. But you'll see here, but I'm going to show you, if you see like this company, they're probably running a lot of ads. We're going to go filter. You can filter here too, so you can look at the different advertisers. You can look at the platforms, the media type, the active status, and then what we're going to do is see, hey, who's been on here for more than a month? Which ones have been on here for more than about a few weeks? Okay, cool. Now this is good because this shows that if they've been running ads for a few weeks now, that they're still performing, right? Because they wouldn't be running them if they weren't performing. So these are active ads. So example, affordable burial insurance. Breaking news. A recent survey shows that seniors ages 45 to 85 don't have burial funds set aside for funeral expenses. So obviously, if this company has been running them since the beginning of January, and they're still running, then they're making money on the ads. They're converting. So it's super simple. All you'd have to do when you're making your Facebook ads, and I'm going to pull my my ad manager over here, but is use this text, okay? And then you can use these headlines, right? New senior burial benefits program now available, okay? And then we can go, I'll just show you an example of where you do this on here. Hold on. And it'll show you the pictures that are working too. So you may be able to actually even you can just even save that image. That's fine. So if you just wanted to save the image, you could actually just download and copy that same exact image that they're using. Okay, so this is great. Now what we would do here is I'm going to show you into an editable ad. And I have some campaigns running right now for recruiting. But I'll just show you what you would do is we would just go here. I'll remove this video. Come on, get out of here. Facebook likes to go really fast, as you can tell. So all I would do is remove this video here. So remove all. There we go. So I would just add the picture, click add media, add an image, and I would put whatever image is working from here, right? So say I got great seal of the state of Ohio. So I'm going to go here, Ohio add pick. Let's see if this works. Go back to Ads Manager. I'm going to go add media, add image.
Upload. Ohio ad pick.
Go here, and we'll do original. That's fine. Yep, so there we go. So we have the picture, right? And the picture is there, so we just hit done. Okay, there. So the image is there, perfect. And then we would just go here, and I would just copy this whole thing. Paste. And I put that whole thing there. And then the headline is, oh, no, I don't want to go to the ad. The headline will be right here, 2023 State Regulated Funeral Benefits Program. So I'll just go back to my ad thing, and I'll go here, my headline, 2023 State Regulated Funeral Benefits Program. As you can see, that's what it looks like now. Okay, so this is how you can actually create an ad based on what everybody else is using. So you know if this is working, then it works. Then obviously you'd have to go into your ad set level here. So we go to the ad set level, and I'll bring that over in just a second here. Hold on. It goes a little faster there, but there's a bunch of them here. So you see California, another one for Ohio, you see US, right? So there's all types of different ads. And what you could even do is, I'll show you this in 1 second here. You can set something up called the dynamic creative. And what that will let you do is it'll actually allow you to have multiple images at one time. And I'll show you in a second. I'm going to turn this on. So dynamic creative, what it will let you do is you can actually try all these different texts and images at the same time to see which ones work best. Now, as you can see, that person who said Ohio, that you'd only want to market to Ohio residents at that time, okay? So what I did is I turned this little button on right here, dynamic creative. Oh, it's off. Well, when you turn dynamic creative on, what that lets you do, once you're on your ad, this is what it lets you do. Okay. So say dynamic creative was on, that feature. Okay, so what it actually lets you do right here, it lets you put up to 10 different images, okay, in videos, up to 10 different images in videos to run. So what you can do, like you can upload like this one, and then say assume they all say Ohio, right? Upload this one, and then this one, and then this one, and this one, you know, this one. You can do them all, so you can upload them all together, and then you can upload all the different texts, right? All the different texts that are here. You can upload this, and then this, and you know, you can upload them all. And don't forget, we have a bunch of them here that aren't, if we get rid of the date range, that there's a lot more that are new, okay? So like we can try this, and then we can try this. So you can, essentially, all you do is you copy and paste them to here. So you put in primary text, and you hit add another option, you do it till all 5 are filled up. Then you do the same thing with headlines. So the headlines are actually right here. So see how it says approved final expense programs for seniors, and then 2023 state regulated burial program, just approved for Seniors Act now. So you can put all those here on your headlines, and then once you publish it, when you publish the dynamic creative, what that does is it lets the platform run and figure out which ads work best. So it'll tell you, hey, this picture performs the best, this headline performs the best, this text performs the best, and you'll be able to view that on the ad set level of the main manager. So to view that stuff, you just go here, and then you'd actually click on breakdown, and then by dynamic creative element, and then you click which one you want to see, and it'll tell you that. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this here, but delete, yeah. But that's how you use Facebook Ads Library to find which ads are performing right now. And if you see ads that are running in like a bunch of states and they've been running there for a while, then you know the person's probably spending good money on it. And if you see a lot of them, then you know that it's probably a lead company that's running those ads. So it's really good if you find a lead company running those ads, and because you know that they're spending a lot of money and they're generating a lot of leads. So that's always a good thing. So I hope you found this video useful, and I hope it helps you stay up to date on what are the best final expense Facebook ads on the platform at the time. You can always stay up to date on what's working in the business. If you want a full walkthrough tutorial on how to make your own final expense Facebook ads, just watch the next video coming up. Thank you, everybody.